Most people grow up thinking they need to have money before they can start making money. And what I've learned over time, that couldn't be farther from the truth. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through 5 side hustles that I personally did. And every single one of those side hustles can be started with 0 money. Now, these are the same paths that helped me go from a broke loan officer to running a multiple 6-figure business. And if you find this helpful, please hit the like button so YouTube knows to show this video to more people just like yourself. Also, stick around until the end because I'm going to share which side hustle you should start with first and which one has already generated me over $25,000 on autopilot. So let's dive into the video. The first side hustle is a service-based business. Now, just like being a loan officer, in my opinion, this is one of the most practical ways that you can make money because it's super flexible. You can run it from your laptop, your phone, and all you really need is just an internet connection. Look, I started my mortgage business in 2016 with literally nothing more than an NMLS license. Now, my story just happens to be about loans, but this works for almost any service. And my biggest recommendation is to start in an existing company as a salesperson. That way, your costs stay close to 0 while you learn the business, you build real skills, and then while you're learning, you're getting paid and you're not risking any of your own money. Service businesses can be things just like plumbing, pressure washing, painting, concrete work, or professional services like real estate, loans, and insurance. Now, there's plenty of options out there. However, service businesses do involve you trading your time for money. Now, I worked as a loan officer full-time for over 10 years. And at one point, I grew that income into the multiple 6 figures. Lending works well because people will always need money. When you understand how to broker residential loans, commercial loans, and private money, you naturally create a long-term career opportunity for yourself. Now, this is something you can even do part-time to earn some extra money. And if this sounds interesting, check out the link below to the Part-Time Lender Academy. And that's where I break down how to get started in both residential and commercial lending. The second side hustle builds on the skills that you already have. Once you really understand a business or a trade, you can help other people get into that same space. For me, at one point, I offered loan officer coaching for $300 an hour. Now, as my business grew, I became more selective. I only focused on coaching people who were either serious about moving forward, usually people who purchased my program, or wanted to join my company. Coaching can be great money, but it does involve you trading your time, so it works best when you, 1, enjoy the work, and 2, enjoy the people that you're helping, of course. All right, guys, number 3 on the list is YouTube. I've been posting to YouTube now for about 3 years, but this past year really opened my eyes to the opportunity. Once I packaged my knowledge into a digital course, YouTube became the main driver that helped me generate over $25,000. There are several ways to make money on YouTube, like AdSense, sponsorships, affiliate links, and selling, of course, your own products and services. Now, naturally, selling your own offers gives you the most amount of flexibility and control, and you can start doing that with just your cell phone. Literally, that's it. One story that I really love is when somebody asked Mr. Beast how to improve their videos, and he said to ask again after posting 100 videos, because you learn so much by doing, by filming, lighting, sound, thumbnails, storytelling. I mean, it all improves over time. He also talks about improving your videos by just 1% every single time you post, and that adds up super quickly. And it's normal for your early videos to be really bad, but don't let that discourage you from starting because, as YouTuber Ali Abdal says, most people are not paying attention to you anyways, especially in the beginning, which makes this the perfect time to practice. Long-form YouTube videos create such a strong connection because people are spending time with you, just like we're doing right now, and it builds trust. And trust naturally turns into opportunities. And that is the real value behind YouTube. All right, number 4 is digital products. And this one is huge because you can start literally without spending any money. And when people ask me, Zevi, what platform I personally use to host my digital products, build pages, send emails, automate my sales, I use a platform called system.io, and I will leave you a link below where you can open a free account, not a trial account, a real free account. And if you want to learn more about how to use these systems, I cover the tutorials inside my group, the Profitable Creator Club. Now, when I say digital products, I'm referring to ebooks, courses, workshops, or memberships. And one important thing that you must keep in mind is how products connect to each other. A lower priced offer often leads naturally to a bigger one, and that's called a value ladder. Now, let me give you an example. I wrote the Part-Time Lender Blueprint with this exact idea in mind. It gives people real value before they're ready to invest in the full course. Now, inside my book, I explain what the next steps look like. That course alone helped me reach an average cart value of approximately $762 and generate over $25,000 in just my first year selling digital products, because people buy things that solve problems. Let me give you an example. Food solves our hunger, toothpaste keeps our teeth clean, and soap helps us stay healthy. Your digital product works the exact same way. It should solve one clear problem for one clear group of people. All right, the last one on the list is memberships. And what makes memberships so great is consistency, because when I sold my course, I never really knew when I will get the next sale. And building that course took months. A membership works differently. The group is the course, and you can add content over time and keep it fresh. You can create steady monthly income as long as you deliver value. People tend to stay. Platforms like School are popular for this, with pricing from $9 to $99 a month, and I will leave you a link to School in the description of this video. But if you want a free option while you're getting started, System.io also offers a free community that you can connect to your course. Now, here's the most important part. We'll talk about why you need it and what systems you need to use to get there. But if you want to learn how to actually use those systems step by step, that part happens inside my group through the training modules. And if you want the implementation of the funnels, the content flow, the automation, that's what we do inside the Profitable Creators Club. The link is in the description below if you want to check that out. Now, no matter which path you choose, everything starts with content. Content brings attention. Once you understand that, you're literally halfway there. The group shows you how to turn that attention into income. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video.